We're here with the Focus ST and the Golf GTI Clubsport.
And we've got a few challenges that's going to determine which one's fastest. Probably my one, which is the Focus.
No, it's the Golf. It's
Come on, no!
Whoa, look at him go! Whoa!
I'm driving the Ford Focus ST, which has a 2.3 litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 276 horsepower and 310 pounds-feet of torque. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox with an electronic limited slip diff and weighs 1,433 kilos. This Edition version also has manually adjustable KW suspension, uprated Brembo brake calipers and Pirelli P0 Corsa tyres. And Ben's in the Golf GTI Clubsport that has a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder producing 296 horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque. It's got a 7-speed DSG gearbox, an ELSD, adaptive dampers, it weighs 1,459 kilos and this one is running Bridgestone Potenza tyres.
Oh yeah, rev off.
Rev off!
All right, ready?
That sounds cool!
Beat that, mate.
I don't think it will.
Go on then. Ah, that's pathetic.
So what gearbox mode are you putting your car in, Alex? Sport mode.
That mode.
Are you...
Left
Sport
foot
mode. You're like a professional motoring journalist these days, Alex. Can you remember what that foot does?
Not really. I just occasionally press the brake bit by accident and headbutt the dashboard. That's what happens.
The launch control on this is fairly intuitive. You just do this.
And you go.
Yeah.
Launch control. I've got launch control in this.
Sick.
Ben's muffed it up. All right.
The launch control on this is fairly intuitive.
Right, I've got to change gear. Come on, manage. Not a bad start. Quick change, wheel spin. Oh, no, absolutely annihilated me. Oh, I hate losing these. I especially hate losing them to Benjamin.
Do you want to run again and try
Not
and beat
really.
me?
Not really. I don't want to talk to you. I don't like losing. I lost quite considerably. Ben was in launch control mode and so was I. He's going to do one without launch. One without launch, Ben.
Try not to hit the brakes this time, Alex.
Try to what?
Try not to hit the brakes.
When did I hit the brakes?
Saw your brake lights come on.
Did they?
Did you actually forget what to
Hang
do
on, the
with your
brake's
left
the
foot?
left pedal, right? Second attempt, Focus drag race. I'm going to do the same again. I got a little bit too much wheel spin, so I'll try and manage that a bit better because ESP's off. I'll try and change gear like a madman, and Ben's not going to use launch control.
I'm going to do manual,
Yeah,
no launch control.
yeah.
I'm just going to let the car, I'll do the thing.
Right, you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
I just pulled away. Nice gear change.
Ah, traction control's on.
Much better. Oh, come on, no! Oh, no. I lost again. Focus, it's not its forte. Makes nice noises, doesn't go as fast as the GTI Clubsport. And I'm sad because I hate losing, I especially hate losing to Ben.
Do you want to do another one with traction off so I can beat you again?
No.
So I can beat you again?
No.
It'll be fun.
No, I'm good. Trust me, I'm very content with not being beaten by you again.
I like winning though.
Right, next thing, I might win something maybe if we do something else.
What should we do?
Go around the track.
So both cars struggled to find traction off the line, but when they did find it, the Golf annihilated the Focus, even with my most savage gear changes. To be fair to the Ford though, it had only done a couple of 100 miles from new, so the engine was probably not fully loosened up. So it's probably time to do a bit more gentle running in before our time lapse.
Oh yeah,
That's nice. That's nice. Hold on. It's a horrible noise.
Wait, what's
isn't
that
it?
do?
That apparently does gears. Can you believe it?
That's cool, isn't it?
What are we doing? 85, 90,
25.
50. Brakes. Brakes are sharp for the first lap. Oh, a bit of heel and toe.
I bring it with SH.
Bloody hell! That's what happens when you turn it all off.
I think the tyres are cold, Alex.
Front wheel drive cars are a lot of fun, aren't they?
I don't know, it's something funny. You shouldn't be doing that.
So a little bit of a brake on the way in. And then it understeers. It's probably actually got quite a nice balance. I'm just being a bit of a hooligan on the brake stuff.
Precision erratic driving. Whoa! That's amazing.
It goes huge, doesn't it? I'm running out of road here. I'm running out of road.
Gentle running in complete, it was time to grab the stopwatch and set a lap time.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, the handbrake was off.
It likes the little drop. That is where you spin.
Right, that's what you spin.
Is that the wet line, is it?
No, I'm kind of doing a bit of both. I'm running, keep it straight, on the outside. Oh, back up. Second gear. Oh, running out of track. Get back. Late apex.
This time, that's very kind.
How about that gear change, Ben?
That was a savage gear change.
No,
I don't know about
where's my brake? There? Probably a bit early.
That probably was a bit early, I wasn't expecting that. Whoa, it's actually quite grippy. I think these tyres are good when they're warm. Whoa!
Okay,
That's alright, that's fine. I'm pretty impressed. Yeah.
So lap time was
Alex lost.
101.
101.8.
.8.
May as well round that up to 102.
May as well not do that. 101.8. It is a bit wet out there, so who knows?
Now it's time for Ben to get some heat into his Bridgestones before he sets a fast lap in the Golf.
Ben, I'm clinging on already.
Does it feel fast?
Yeah, it does. It feels a lot faster than the Focus. And it is faster. Oh, I'm going for the imaginary brake pedal already. Oh, nice, we made it. I didn't want to see that face when I looked at it.
I will make one comment about this car.
What's your comment?
See me flapping around. Seats aren't as good.
No,
are
the
they?
Focus has got
isn't it?
nice
Really
supportive
good.
seats.
Right.
Understeer, bit of oversteer. Oh, that was nice. We almost came to a stop. Oh God. Oh, that's big. That was really big. How do I turn the heat down? I'm
You
getting
feeling
hot.
warm?
Well, a little bit. You know that warmth feeling you get before you feel sick.
Why are you feeling sick?
Well, it might be something to do with your driving. Yeah, that'll do. That'll be it. Oh, he's gone for a tidy one. Speed.
It's got
It's still spinning in third.
Ben's tyres suitably warm, it was his turn to set a lap time to see if he could beat the Focus.
3, 2, 1, go.
Off we go.
Easy. Don't spin, Ben. Don't spin. So that was a late break. He's fun. Wheel spin. Nice bit of rotation. Oh, it gets out of there so well.
No torque.
Gets out of there so well. What's he gone for? He's gone for middle of the track. Back to the inside. Remember track limits? I was behaved today. Well done, very good. So looking nice. This is a lot faster though.
Is it?
Yeah, a lot. Oh, your brake's a lot later than me. Brake, get out. This is an impressive car. I think you're going to beat me.
I didn't cheat. Whoa!
Oh, he did cheat. God, this is going to be close. It wasn't close.
You beat me.
The time deleted, actually, I don't know what it was. You're winning ways. Yes. Ben beat
won.
me.
I won.
By 1.3 seconds. It was a
Different
good lap.
point.
Yeah, nice, neat, tight
does.
lap. But the Golf just finds grip, doesn't it?
It does.
Finds grip where the Focus struggles. a bit.
Tyres.
Face, is this the face of an annoyed man? Because I am, really. I'm trying to be, well done, Ben, but I'm not happy. Let's go do the next thing, because I can't stand this anymore.
Focus was definitely the more playful of the two cars, but the extra straight line speed and cornering performance from the Golf meant it was another pasting for me in the Ford. So, for one final shot at redemption, let's chase each other around track to see how the two cars compare head to head. Mano a mano.
Mode, racetrack, ESC, push and hold for fully off.
What are you doing?
Just putting different modes, race mode, ESC off, Ben.
The
All right.
modes, right?
Despite Ben's impatience, I eventually got the Focus set up in the right mode and ready to go. At least the Golf was much easier. Right, Ben?
Hold on. Everything's turned back on. How do you turn... Right, ESC off. Okay. It's speed limiter. Oh, I don't want a speed limiter. Lane assist, speed warning, drowsiness, front assist, confirm.
Ready.
I think we're okay. Ready?
Oh, that Golf's so quick. No, third. Stick with third. The only problem with third is it's just a little bit laggy on the boost on the way out. You still got to manage the wheel spin. The Golf's gone. Golf is gone. Bye-bye. It's so fast in a straight line. It's ridiculous. And then it does that. Yes. Come on then. One more lap, see if I can keep my head. Big skid to start, hit the wet patch. Off we go. That's the Focus way.
I was on track. I'm 100%. Whoa, look at him go. Whoa.
Definitely going to reel me in. He's right on my arse now.
Like this. Nice.
Come on, neat and tidy, neat and tidy. These are so much fun. So much fun. Benjamin, there we go. Day on track complete.
Who won?
You did win, unfortunately.
Which car won?
You won in your Golf. You beat me in a drag race. You beat me at the time lap.
Do you think I beat you at having fun?
No, I reckon the Focus is the more fun car. It's a playful chassis,
It
isn't
definitely
it?
is. I followed you around in the Focus and like that thing cocks the wheel and moves.
Yeah,
and
it feels
you know.
lovely. It's got a lovely chassis balance to it.
It's the modern hot hatch. It's the spirit of hot hatch.
It
It's
is.
awesome. But that's a better car.
Yeah,
That's arguably a better hot hatch.
yeah, it is. In the true sense of the hot hatch word,
It is.
Ford has still got it right with the Focus.
Yeah.
It's great.
Which one would you have?
I love the Focus. I'd do it in the Golf.
Yeah, I'd have the Golf
Yeah,
as
there
well.
we go. So there's our conclusion. A lot of fun, a little bit more capable.
Also, I won.
And Ben won only because he was in the quicker car.
Sorry, the car one, yeah.
Yeah, the car one. There we go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment to see what other track battles you want us to do, and hit the subscribe. We'll see you next time.